On to the UK now, where a cabinet minister refuses to apologise following a report that found the British government waited too long to impose a lockdown, missing a chance to contain the disease, leading to thousands of unnecessary deaths.
A parliamentary report concluded on Tuesday saying the deadly delay resulted from ministers' failure to question the recommendations of scientific advisors, resulting in a dangerous level of groupthink, caused them to dismiss the more aggressive strategies adopted in East and Southeast Asia. It was only when National Health Service risked being overwhelmed by rapidly rising infections that Prime Minister Boris Johnson's Conservative government finally ordered a lockdown.
We moved quickly in response to the vaccine. Obviously, this report has just come out, so we want to look at it and consider it. That's why we've also got an inquiry to ensure that where there are lessons to learn, we do so. But we followed throughout the scientific advice. We got the vaccine deployed extremely quickly. We protected our NHS from the surge of cases. But of course, if there are lessons to learn, we're keen to do so.
Australia's Victoria state has recorded its deadliest days of the current COVID-19 outbreak. State Health Minister Martin Foley says new 13 COVID-19 related deaths and more than 1,000 local infections cases were reported on Wednesday.
The state minister warns residents to brace for more fatalities as the government cannot forecast as to how the chains of transmission play out in communities. State Chief Health Officer says he expects daily infections to fluctuate slightly, but was cautiously optimistic that case numbers were decreasing. Meanwhile, Australia's most populous state, New South Wales, reported 444 local infections and 4 deaths.
There were 1,572 new cases of coronavirus in Victoria. One of those was internationally acquired. 1,571 were acquired locally. That brings us now to 19,861 active cases of coronavirus in Victoria. Very sadly, 13 people have lost their lives in the most recent reporting period.